Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see the colour of the water, but it's not very clean. So I've cleaned all the drawers. Nothing much has changed out of the first one. I don't have a lot of cutlery, so that's okay. I do have a calculator in there, which may be a bit odd for some people, but it works for me. I know it's there and I keep it there. And then I have a little purse that I take out when I don't want to take my big wallet with me. They both work to stay there, so they will remain in that drawer. Next, I have all my big implements that I don't use very often. The ones that I do use mostly are in the front, which unfortunately is my bottle opener and tin opener, which just shows a little bit about what I use the most, I suppose. Next, I've got my, just get rid of my feet out of the picture. I've got my menus and little things that I might need sometimes, like the Swan taxi. I've got a Fridge Smart thing, that the instructions on how to use it. There's some bits back here for the kitchen. This is for my stove. It's annoying to have on it all the time, so I keep it off. Little bits, little things to replace on the tap, which actually I do need to do soon. Then I have my oven mitts, tea towels and aprons, which unfortunately I do not use very often because I don't cook. And lastly, I didn't do anything in this drawer except for clean it. This is all the stuff that was left to me from grandparents, and I use this for special occasions. So in my drawers, 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, the bottom one is the stuff that I use hardly at all, and they go up in frequency of use, which is good to show that my menus are in the 3rd drawer down, so I do cook a little bit. Now, because it is Boxing Day, I am now off to get ready to go out and have lunch with friends. But before I do that, I'm going to reward myself, and oh my goodness, look how many chocolates are left. Not many. Where is that light and easy menu? Alright, have a good day.